She just.
Are those good carrots, Willow? Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Do you want some more carrots, Willow Grace?
You can't have the spoon.
Alright, well, Mommy's got to put some more on there.
Give me your spoon. Can Mommy? Thank you.
You want some more?
Hello. Here. Grab it. Okay, you grab it with your right hand. Yeah, here. Grab it. There.
Is it good? Yeah, you're kind of missing your mouth a little bit, but you're doing good. You're a big girl. You're a big girl. You're a big girl.
Well, you're messing your mouth.
You think we're funny, don't you? She's laughing at us.
No. She's going back and forth looking at both of us.
You want some more? Do you want some more?
Can Mommy have the spoon? Mine.
Just give her a couple bites.
Nope. Num num num. Num num num. Num num num. Good girl. You made me Mommy cry. Thor. Thor. At. Here. Grab. Hold on. Okay. Want Mommy to do it? Are you getting her face?
Uh-huh.
Here, Boo. Hold on. There you go. Oh!
All right. You shoveled that bite right on in. Was that good? Are those good carrots? Are those good carrots?
I think this.
Are you okay, baby? Are you alright? Let Gammy have it,
I
please.
think the spoon's almost right for her. Look,
She smacked her.
Look.
Look. Oh. Are you okay? You want a bite?
Mama, look, I'm crying.
Do you want more? Ah. Num, num, num. Is it good? Can you say, good?
Good. Possibility.
Mmm.
Thor. Thor.
Num, num, num.
I can't read that.